Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Spotify playlist for your pets. So they actually do have a website for this. It is called pets.byspotify.com. And don't forget to log into your Spotify first. And then I'm just going to press Let's Go. And since I have a pet cat, I'm just going to choose cat, but there is an iguana, dog, bird, and hamster. But you can only pick from these 5 pets. Then I'm going to press next, wait for it to load, and so my cat is actually in the middle, so I'm not going to change that, so I'm just going to press next. For this one, she is super friendly, so I'm just going to choose that. And lastly, she is curious, so I'm going to press next. And I'm just going to type in the name, and you can also insert a picture over here. And I'm just going to press next again. And it'll sync my taste with my cat, and this is the playlist that Spotify has chosen for my pet cat. And you're just going to press listen now to listen to the music, and it'll go to the playlist. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!